It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 Chevrolet Colorado in this nice black with black and gray interior seating for 4 doors and about a 5-foot box, and you've got that nice tonneau cover. The box is lined and you've got tailgate assist. You have a 2.8 liter diesel Duramax engine. It's a 4-cylinder. It's also automatic transmission and it's paired with 4x4. You also have a trailer tow hitch, sliding rear window, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. 2.8 liter 4-cylinder engine here, an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4 and it's a diesel. Let's have a look inside. As well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered and you have all-weather mats on the floor, and then we have our lighting controls, the 4x4, and the integrated trailer brake controller. There's a running board, just making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our heated steering wheel, our cruise control, as well as our menu and hands-free dialing. And then when you're ready and you want to start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages on the odometer reading, and it's going to come up here and you just press on the buttons for what you want, and they all have sub-menus. In the center here we have our display screen, so you've got AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and then we can go home and choose different options in there. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can slide through for the different things that you'd like. OnStar services is something you subscribe to monthly, and then it gives you extra services. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view just right off the back bumper here. And it's just letting you know how close objects and other things are to you when going in reverse. So let's put us back into park. So we just saw a car go by us. There's your volume, and you've got your home button there as well. There's your fan, your AC, and then you've got your climate control with your rear defrost as well as front defrost. And then down here we have our traction control, lane keeping, as well. We have our parking assist, hazard lights, exhaust brake, hill descent, high mount lighting, and then you've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, a little cubby down there, and we've got our auxiliary line in and there as well, and then automatic select shifter, a couple of cup holders. You can put your phone down there. They're letting you know don't put keys there. You can charge, and then your armrest opens up, lots of room in there, glove compartments off to the side. And then you have the OnStar here. So again, you would subscribe and then you'd have different services, and you've got the SOS as well as an auto dimming rear view mirror. Your lighting controls are here, sunglass holder, and you have got a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, a black running board, black door handle, the Z71 off-road badging, and the driver's side fuel cap. Got a nice tonneau cover, and your backup camera is just below the handle, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer tow hitch. And then when you're ready, you just open up that tailgate by lifting the latch. Now look, you've got tailgate assist. It goes down easily for you. Nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Holder and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, and you just pull the little lever located here, and then you can lift up the seat. Now I have to have my hand free to do that. All-weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you've got a couple of cup holders in your armrest. In the center here, we have our USB and 12-volt, as well as a little bin. Dome lighting up top. You also have a grab handle, and in the rear there's the sliding window as well as rear defrost. Pulled the lever and brought up the seat just to show you've got a little bit of storage there, and then when you bring the seat down, you just pull the lever again and the seat will go right down for you. Tow hitch and reverse camera in the rear, tonneau cover, about a 5-foot line box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.